Hi there, I am Robinson Jimenez, 28 years old from Bucaramanga, Santander. By profession, I am an environmental technologist and I am currently pursuing a degree in environmental engineering to deepen my knowledge in the field. Beyond academics and work, I lead a balanced life. I have a girlfriend who adds joy to my days, and I am passionate about music, especially discovering new tones across various genres. Football is another love of mine. There is something about the camaraderie and strategy of the game that really draws me. Additionally, I prioritize staying active through sports and exercises, which not only keeps me fit but also clears my mind. Overall, I strive to make the most of every aspect of my life, finding fulfillment in both my professional pursuits and personal interests. Thanks. Bye. Thanks for attention. Bye.